Well, howdy there, Internet people. It's Bo again. So, today we are going to talk about Kansas. We're going to talk about Kansas, the Supreme Court out there, and some decisions that they came to on Friday, and what those decisions actually mean for not just Kansas, but the surrounding areas. Okay, so back in 2019, the Kansas Supreme Court basically said, hey, the state constitution, it protects bodily autonomy. And everybody was like, well, what about reproductive rights? And the Supreme Court out there was kind of like, I didn't stutter. And it created a situation where a lot of pending suits were, it seemed as though they were going to go one way. And on Friday they did. So 2 laws got overturned. The first stemmed from 2015, which was, it was basically a law that, for all intents and purposes, it effectively banned anything in the second trimester, with the exception of to save the mother's life. That's gone, because when the Supreme Court out there made their ruling in 2019, they said that any infringement on bodily autonomy had to, quote, withstand strict scrutiny. And they didn't meet it. So that one's gone. The other one goes back even further, 2011, 2012, somewhere in there. And it had to do with licensing for providers. And basically what the state did was create requirements that were designed to make it difficult for providers to operate. The Supreme Court knocked that down too. Again, it didn't withstand that strict scrutiny. So, 2 big wins for reproductive rights in Kansas. One of the things that matters about this is areas around Kansas are pursuing a lot of restrictions on reproductive rights. So an influx of patients, well, they're going to be better prepared to handle it now. That occurring in Kansas, these decisions, they're probably going to resonate. They're probably going to create situations where the Republican Party is both upset at the outcome and probably a little bit worried. Anyway, it's just a thought. Y'all have a good day.